singing out freedom. Let's not quarrel, let's not fight, let's get together, we all can unite. Then take off these chains from off our feet, 'cause we're gonna walk down Freedom Street. Everybody knows we're gonna walk down Freedom Street. Let me tell you people, united we stand, divided we fall. Respect your brothers, sisters and all. Let's not deal illiteracy. Work it out intelligently, Lord, 'cause we're gonna walk down Freedom Street. Everybody knows we're gonna walk down Freedom Street. Yeah, freedom, freedom of justice, freedom of speech, freedom for the little baby child. Too much injustice, too much war brings pain. Freedom, freedom. Can't see clearly, 'cause I worked hard last night. It must be a vision, 'cause there's no change in sight. I see your big street, oh Lord, where all ends meet. It must be Freedom Street, oh Lord, freedom, freedom for the little baby child, for you and for me. Freedom, freedom of movement, freedom of speech, freedom is reality. Freedom, can you hear me singing out? Freedom, can you believe what you see? There is no peace unless we have peace. There will be no freedom. Hear me singing out freedom for you and for me, the whole wide world. No matter what color you might be, freedom, freedom. No more injustice. We don't want no war. We need some peace, so we can have freedom. Freedom for the little baby child. You and me.